Alexa, stop. Today I'm gonna make some carrot cake cookies that are sandwich cookies, because that's what my wife wants to take to her coworkers. So you're welcome, coworkers. I am a jackass. You know what? It'd be fine. Typically, you know, you would perfectly you would mix all of your dry ingredients separately and then to mix in with the wet ingredients. I just, you know, was going down my list and I was like, all right, let's go. Let's not look at anything. We don't need to read ahead. And we're just gonna mix that on up. Yeah, just like that. Give it a mixy. Because I have lost control of my life. It's fine. Everything's fine. I don't want to overmix that. Otherwise, it'll get weird. And we don't like weird things here at all. That's a lie. That is a fucking lie. Okay. We're having some technical difficulties. To go open up my oats, there was a little pull ring here. It said pull left. Wait, I can read. Lift, ring, and pull, not left. Well, I pulled and it came off. Just gonna stab it. I won. Let's just get real close up in on this bowl here, because that's what you need in your day. You need to see extremely close up of some carrot cake cookies, I guess. That's it, bitches. And now we're just gonna scoop it on out. And I've already preheated the oven because I'm a professional. Why did you start recording, you motherfucker? No, really, why? Why? I have my handy dandy Scooby-Doo-Doop. And we're just gonna scoop some cookies out. And I'm gonna try to make them roughly the same size, because otherwise, they're not gonna sandwich so well. If you've ever made sandwich cookies, you can know sometimes they's a pain in the ass. That's why when my wife first came home and was like, hey, can you make this? I was like, nah, dog. And then I was like, well, I guess I can. But I wanted to be like, hell to the no. You want me to make some perfect little sandwich cookies? It's not happening. Have you seen half the shit I do? Nothing is perfect. It all looks busted. I mean, it tastes good, but it looks like butt. Look, I got a damn scoop and these still look like trash. Okay, last batch is out. These guys have decided that, you know, they want to match themselves up. So obviously these two are a pair, and these, you know, widespread butt cheeks back here are definitely a pair. So I'm going to get these off so they can cool. And then we'll mix up a quick little cream cheese frosting, icing. What's the difference between an icing and a frosting? Because I feel like I use those interchangeably, and now I'm going to have to Google it. And there's the roosters. All done. There's no exact recipe for this. I really just kind of mixed it until it looked right and tasted right. So it was a taste as you go. I originally was just going to do cream cheese, butter, and powdered sugar, but I ended up adding vanilla, because why the fuck not? Okay, I think I got everybody paired up pretty decently. Looks like all together we will have 12, 13 cookies, which isn't so bad because that means that I get to save one that I can cut in half and make Erin try when she gets home eventually. I thought about piping these, but then I was like, I am not fancy. I love that these got like a little like caramelized bit on the bottom. You can kind of see they're shiny. Wee, wee, wee. That's terrible. I can't send those to work. That tastes really bad. Like, I've just stopped myself from throwing up in my mouth. Y'all bitches can't have these. Bye. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And you know, if you're making anything cool during the quarantine, let me know in the comments if you're feeling froggy. That's it, really. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to. It'd be super cool because, you know, I have 42 followers, which is great, you know, 42 meaning of life. It's very, very significant number to me. But it'll be cool. Again. Okay, that's it. That's all I got. Let me smack my fucking microphone. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, my tit's still in frame. I'm gonna go. Okay. Okay. Okay, bye.